بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا وطيبا مباركا فيه وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد. I want to say to all of the Muslims before we begin here, we mentioned in the ayah today, إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. Verily the Muslims are brothers, so fear Allah. And anytime two Muslims have beef with each other, everybody has to make peace and harmony. So I want to say I'm proud being a revert and being the brother to you people. I feel nothing but love from everybody here, and I don't have anything but love for everybody here, but we have to make it our religious obligation and duty that you and I do the same for everybody. Everybody. So we have my man Rob here, and he's going to embrace Islam. And he came with a girl who's downstairs, and she's going to embrace Islam. And instead of living a life that's not pure and wholesome and halal, this dude is going to accept Islam today and get married today. Allahu Akbar. He's only 23 years old, man. And I have to be honest, I never met a ginger that I didn't like. Tell you, even Prince Harry. I'm a fan of Prince Harry. Not his father, but Prince Harry. I like him. So you're going to repeat after me, my man. And the girl as well. You're going to repeat after me. You're going to say, I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah. I bear witness that there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah. And I openly bear witness that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah and the prophet of Allah and the last messenger that was sent in the long succession of prophets and messengers. He's the last prophet. All right, last one you're going to say is, I bear witness that the paradise is true and the hellfire is true. And I bear witness that the last day is true. So with that, my man, my brother Rob has become a Muslim. So a Muslim now. Hey. In our religion, we shouldn't clap. In our religion, we shouldn't clap. Clapping is for women. The Prophet says, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, التسبيح للرجال والتصفيق للنساء. Men say subhanallah and women clap. Why do women clap? Women clap because their voices in the masjid, you want them separate and things like that. So women clap. We don't clap. That's what non-Muslims do. So we shouldn't clap. We glorify Allah. Because when we clap, we're applauding Him. And although we're happy for Him, but we have to glorify Allah, inshallah. As for the wedding, we'll do the wedding after the class. We can delay the wedding, but we shouldn't delay His Islam. What say you, Jahangir Saab boss? Huh? Continue to talk for 20 minutes? So we marry them after that. All right, man. Everybody give my man some love. والضع
لم تسمع به وضاح اليمن شاعر أظن الأندلسي
أول مرة هذه They have mountains, man. The Mormons that are some of the best Christians. Yeah, Christianity.
What's up, bro?
It's